Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, there is a ray of light with all of this crap that we're going through right now. And I do have a update on Amy at the end of this video. We went to the doctor today for the first time since she's been home. Okay, y'all, there is a ray of light on this smaller stimulus package that Mooch and the boys are trying to get passed. And the ray of light is, just like when the House sent over their proposal to Mooch and his boys, and they just sat on it forever and didn't do anything, and they didn't pass it. Well, now the small bill that he is a part of will have to be passed by the House also. And I think I know how Nancy Pelosi will react to it. Sorry, Mooch, you're not getting your way this time. There is still no sign of Mooch and the boys coming back to Washington until September the 8th. After all, he's on vacation. Why should we disturb him? Now, to be fair, some people says that he's not really on vacation, that they're still working, they're campaigning. The way I see it, campaigning is for them to get a job. It has nothing to do with us until they get into office. So, he's doing something that he wants to do. He's not doing that for we the people. So yes, in my eyes, he's on vacation. He's campaigning by choice. Y'all, we got to hold on to this ray of light that Nancy Pelosi will not let his bill pass. After all, he didn't let her bill pass. And her bill was going to help us. This one will hurt us. We still got to have hope that everything is going to work out, and maybe even the feds will step in and do the stimulus checks. That's what I'm hoping for. Y'all, we just got to keep our faith in God. He's going to see us through this. No matter how bad it looks right now, He already knows how it's going to end. Y'all, the phone numbers to the senators, the White House, President Trump's office, all of them is in my description. It's the switchboard at the White House. Call those numbers. Get those numbers and call them every day. Blow those lines up. And don't be nice. Let them know exactly how you feel. Maybe they'll get tired of hearing from us. Okay, update on Amy. Y'all, it's very good news. She went to the doctor today for the first time since she's been out of the hospital for her follow-up visit. And I guess he was really pleased on how she's doing because he said he don't need to see her for 6 months. I was kind of shocked for that 6 months because I remember what I went through with my cancer, and I was going back every day for 6 months. It's just now tapered off, and that's been almost going on 3 years now. So I was really shocked that he said 6 months. I was happy. I was shocked. But she is doing so much better. There was a problem with one of her medicines. And the strange thing about that, it was that Belanta. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. It's a new heart medicine. But anyway, it gives her a headache and it makes her dizzy. So most doctors would tell you to stop drinking coffee. He said, take that pill with coffee. That seems to help a lot of people that has some problems with that drug. So he said, give it 2 or 3 days, and if it don't change, call him and he'll give her a different pill that won't do that. And it'd be cheaper because that Belanta's about $500. But I got my baby back. Thank y'all for the prayers, and thank God. He never lets me down. Thank God for answering those prayers. Y'all, come back this afternoon if there's something that warrants a video, I will make it, but if not, tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. And please watch these videos at the end down here. And if you hadn't seen my how to make money online video, please click on that and see it. It'll be at the end right here. It's probably already here. Just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. I do read them all. And I love you all. After all, you're my extended family. Ciao.